Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Let's talk about the 3 things they do not tell you about vinyl windows. Let's go. So the first thing I want to talk about is, or they don't tell you, the maintenance. So while vinyl windows are very easy on the maintenance side of things, like wood you have to repaint every few years or so, with vinyl you really don't have any of that to deal with. But they're still things that you have to do with your brand new vinyl windows. First of all, is you gotta make sure that the tracks are staying clean. A lot of people, they just let it go. Well, as time progresses, that dirt gets worse and worse. The ability to slide your window back and forth becomes hindered, and it's unsightly. This is years and years of service technician information I'm giving you. The other is, keeping your window clean. Take the screen out and you're washing the window with Dawn dish soap, a little bucket, and you're washing these things like you're washing your car. The second thing I want to talk about that they do not tell you is going to be your limited options for paint color. You've heard me say before, you can do white, tans, Adobe colors. Different manufacturers will have different names for their different blends of vinyl. Usually it's about 2 to 3 that you're gonna get that's an extruded color. Now you have options from manufacturers to paint them different colors. With Hanlon, it's 12. With Milgard, I don't know how many it is, but I think it's about 12 to 16 colors as well. That's what we're gonna find most often. And the third thing that I wanna talk about, limited size. While you can get an aluminum frame to be 16 feet wide by 10, 12 feet tall, with vinyl, you're gonna be limited to that because they have to maintain structure integrity. Don't misconstrue what I'm saying. The vinyl has reinforcement in it. So it's not like, well, the weight of the window and the strength of the window is all based on glass, because that's incorrect. It's not. But the larger the window gets, the less ability, the less structural integrity that vinyl is going to be able to offer. Like for instance, if I wanted to do a patio door, I can go 16 feet wide, but I can only go 8 feet tall. That's it. That's as far as we can go. Now for most houses, that's wonderful, but there are certain places that require, well, hey, they want to go like 50 feet wide, and oh, by the way, they want to go maybe 14 feet tall. You're going to need something that's steel, maybe aluminum, and then that will take care of that type of need. So if you're looking for massive style windows, chances are vinyl is going to be out the window for you. No pun intended. Okay guys, hopefully this answers your questions. Hopefully you like this video. There's gonna be a lot more to come for 2024. You guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.